was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Bij mij gaat het goed. Gaat het, mevrouw? Blijf zitten, blijf lekker zitten hoor. Blijf zitten.
Ja, weet je het zeker? Oh. Ja, het is goed. Geen pijn in je nek? Ja, je hebt een hoofd.
Kan iemand politie bellen?
Kan iemand 112 bellen? Ja, ja, gaan we doen. Moet ik 112 bellen? Ja, ik ben er al bellen.
Ah ja.
Heeft u dan een doel?
Fuck. Guess what, guys? Just had a fucking accident. It's not my fault, luckily, but a lot of damage. I would say about 1k of damage on the bike. Like, because this carbon piece is 500 already, and these two are 500 together, so it's going to be about 1k of damage, maybe even more. Yeah, standard. This maybe a bit. Yeah, and these saved a lot. These saved me a lot, luckily. Yeah, for the rest, you can see I fell on this side. The other side of the bike is totally okay. Helmet is fine, more or less. No, one scratch. And I filmed everything. Police riding my bike. It's pretty funny.
Night, day and night, the lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night. At night. At night.